Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Code Heroes. So today in this video, I'll be showing you how you can add an image or a GIF or a video in your GitHub repo. So first of all, you have to add the video or GIF or image whichever you want to add in your repository. So first of all, I will click on add file, upload files. Then here I'll choose my image and then I'll click on commit changes. Now once that is done, my image is added in the repository. So in the readme.md file, I'll go to this file. Then I'll click on this edit this file button. Now here, wherever you want to add the image, you have to add this code. So first will be the exclamatory mark, then square brackets, and then round brackets. So in these square brackets, you will have to add a text. Any text you can add. This is a image, for example. And then along with this, in this bracket, you have to add the image link. So I'll again go to my repository. I'll go to this image which I had added. And then you can simply right click on this image and you can click on copy image address, or you can get this image link also, or you can just simply click on this three dots and then you can click on copy permalink. Any of these three would work, and then you have to paste it in the round brackets. Now if this image is not available, if this URL is not working, then this text will be shown instead. So that's what this text means. So I'll simply click on commit changes, and you can see my image was added in the repository. So that's all for the video guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped you, please like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and if you face any issue, you can just contact me on LinkedIn. The link is in the comment section.